Welcome to Filmtastic. We've got some brand new news to cover from the world of Pixar's Cars. Jay Ward, the creative director of Pixar who worked on Cars, was interviewed on the Late Break show about the future of the franchise, and he says there's more car stuff coming. I can't say what it is, but we're working on some really fun projects, so fingers crossed there for more new stuff from Cars. And second news is on Frozen 3 interview with the producer of Wish and Frozen, Peter Del Vento. He was interviewed by the direct on Frozen 3, and he said, really make sequels if we believe we have enough stories to tell. It's in development and it's exciting what they're working on. And that's it today.